Welcome to Accent Mastery. Today we're going to learn how to pronounce samurai, 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 samurai. So it's not pronounced samurai, it's not pronounced samurai, it's not pronounced samurai, samurai. Having established that, and for advanced learners, let's jump into pitch accent. This is a zero pattern, so heiban pattern, which is the so-called flat pitch in Japanese, or accentless words. So we start low, sa, you can see this is low, sa, and then we go high, mu, ra, i. So these stay high. So you go from low, imagine it like these were notes in a piano. You start low, sa, and you go high, mu, sa, mu, and then keep high, rai. Now, interestingly, if you look at the actual representation here, it does appear as if it's going ever so slightly lowering, but not a dramatic drop like you would in other words. That's fine if you want to try and mimic that, or you can keep it perfectly flat. It's okay. But it needs to remain high. And if you were to add a particle here, it would also be attached high. So, samurai wa, samurai wa, samurai ga. Okay, so samurai, samurai, samurai. Also note that it's a mu rather than mu, and the R is a sound in between the L and the R in English, kind of similar to the flapping you do when you pronounce the T in the American way, such as beauty, to give you an idea. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for more, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.